Welcome to Friday's Creek Retreat, which is a huge property about 370 kilometers south of Brisbane in New South Wales state. So today we are going to look around here and start our adventure, staying here for a few days. Unfortunately, the weather is not completely friend of ours today. It was a heavy rain all the way while we're driving here, and even now it's like on and off showers, and it's about 23 degrees, but that's okay. As long as it's no heavy rain, I'll be happy. So this is the road in here. That's cottage number 4. Cottage number 5. So look at these rolling hills, guys, it's amazing. So let's go inside and have a look around. So if you're wondering how much is this cost, for a family of 4, we paid $270 per night. That's Australian dollars. It's not a bad deal, it's not cheap, but it is peak season at the moment because of school holidays.
I don't think anyone lives there.
I don't know, maybe. They all been booked there.
But there's no cars.
Our cottage is the last one.
Oh. There are people here.
Yeah.
Are there kids here?
Maybe.
Is there going to be a car that's going to run us over?
So now we are going to check out the swimming pool area. It's a little bit of walk from the cottage, but I think it's going to be worth it. So you like it?
Mosquitoes.
Mosquitoes.
Got bitten by one.
No, don't think so.
What bit me?
Maybe some special one.
You have 2 bites.
And now you're talking.
Oh, it's a giant bug.
There.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Oh, it smells like cows.
They have lots of them here. Oh, black cows. What are they? Black Angus, I think.
That's racist.
What is it? What was funny?
Yep. Oh.
And that fresh air here, guys, it's really amazing after the rain or the dust gone, if it was any. Yeah, it's just fresh air. Yeah, to be honest with you guys, I've never been in a place like this before. It was like really amazing. It's very, very quiet here, and yeah, as I say, the fresh air is just amazing. If you like the music in this video or any other I'm using, Epidemic Sound, I'll leave a link below for a referral code so you can get a free 30-day trial and you can use this music on any of the platform without copyright strikes. It is completely royalty free, copyright free.